Want to use eero Wi-Fi with your Spectrum internet? First, ensure your Spectrum modem is on the Spectrum approved modem list for compatibility. Begin by activating your modem through the Spectrum app or website. You'll need the modem's MAC address and your Spectrum account details. Once activated, connect your eero gateway to the modem via Ethernet cable. Use the eero app to complete the setup. The app now features guided setup wizards for Spectrum users, streamlining the process. These updates have reduced activation times from 20 to 30 minutes down to under 10 minutes, with a reported 15 to 20% improvement in setup success in 2025. A wired connection is recommended for best stability. Double NAT occurs when both your Spectrum modem and eero router perform network address translation, creating nested layers that complicate routing and cause issues like dropped connections and gaming lag. To fix this, put your Spectrum modem into bridge mode by accessing its admin panel, usually at 192.168.0.1. Look for bridge mode or IP pass-through settings and enable them. This disables the modem's routing, letting eero handle all routing. If you can't find the setting, contact Spectrum support. Some modems require them to enable bridge mode remotely. After enabling bridge mode, verify your eero gateway receives a public IP address. Use eero's network diagnostics or apps like Fing to check for IP conflicts. eero's firmware updates, like version 7.1.5, have improved detection of modem bridge modes, reducing double NAT conflicts further.